everyone, so welcome back to my first mukbang video. Mukbang, I don't know what it is. So today, in today's menu, we have rice, chili, lettuce, lapen ke lake dungke karbo, ke perplum, temuke, which is a monkey rice, lapen lake nitum la Jammu Kashmir pen ke van arvo puahan hedi lalo, and this is dal, lapen lake pork with hanche. So before starting this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Lapen ke mukbang ke ni video long ke pini si first lo nili mukbang video se mar mi pin lang la sinang litum similang support don ekta lapen ke chobang le start to na.
Nilila thak ok pen hanche kitun a recipe jong sinang polo te nilimu previous video long lang bit non nili a recipe hedi piat lo. So let's start eating. Nili cuma melang thak ok ta. So first bite with dal. Thak ok pen hanche cholong le chu fit. Okay. Let's eat with lettuce. Ham bari lettuce. First look in. If you don't know this place, then piniga mukbang kan ya bari long secho. Thak ok ada a gravy. Superb lah. Ate kita no dan limit pina ya. My mom has given me a lot of rice. I don't know if I could finish this or not. So let me tell it to my all the subscriber. Nilike chua ok ke phak ok bu ok lapen ke lang ok cha. Nilike bi ok ta chuche lapen ke bukak ok bathi ok. Abi da phak ok hai sami chuche nilike chua ok la son thom bet lo. Lapen la son thom pen ke favorite is pork lo. Kata atu pe ya. Ni favorite kata pork lo. Big bite. I don't think I could finish all those rice and lahan parva muka hede. But I had finished all the pork because I'm too full now. Ok ta pinigi mi oo. Ang si sede. Jan tama part sa kalang dan na hede. I'm so full here. La ako ka bilin man kaya. Lang noong, lachat man kaya. Sadat to. Last bite. Done.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm sorry I couldn't finish all the food items because I'm so full after eating a lot of rice, dal and pork. And please do support and keep watching. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Tang ni the first mukbang bang ke pini complete la. Lasinang litum share ignon lapen ke nang support don ignon. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a lots of love towards my video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye bye. See you in the next video. This is my leftover rice. Oh yes, I'm done. All the and behind the camera yon ang litum lang ikta. Open ni di okay cho hutke latum kinang kachaton dun lok lo. Laring iched do ho choda ta. Oh. Behind the scene latum ta mukbang. Wah. Chano. Oo.